Hazel. Hazel, of course, is right here. And all you have to do is open Hazel. And you see, and I don't know why this is popping up now, but we're going to close it. And there are these various rules for Hazel. And you can move desktops, items from the desktop, or the downloads folder. Actually, I'm not sure why my downloads folder rules stopped, but this is how you create a rule. And don't show me this again. I can do this and say, let's see, where is it? Nope. And let's say I'm gonna see script folder right here. So here's a script folder, and now it's gonna watch that folder, and I'm gonna add a rule right there, and let's say the extension is JPG, for example. So if there's an image in that folder, I'm going to move it to the desktop, for example. So I would move to other. Sorry, I hit show and finder. And then I'm going to select desktop. Where's the desktop? Here's the desktop right here. And I'm just going to simply click open and then save. Oh, I should have given it a name. Image rule. So this rule says if there is ever an extension with this extension, a file with this extension in this folder, it would move it to the desktop. That's what that rule means. Obviously, I don't know why this would occur, but this is just an example for this video. And that's Hazel. And let's set up a real one for this folder. And here are some rules that I don't know why they're not working. Okay, so these are old items. If there's old items, they're set to get a label of red. And old items means they're older than 4 weeks. So that's how that works. I actually have to modify this. But I haven't looked at this for a while. I don't know why they're not set up. But this is how Hazel works. You just set up rules and they get applied to specific folders. I'm not even sure why my downloads items is not running the usual rules I have, but we'll check on that later. Anyway, that's Hazel, and it's one of the apps that I use on a daily basis.